Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SENS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, this will mean a little bit more to those of you that have watched the past videos. Even if you haven't, that's okay because I'll recap it. But the levels that I talked about, have very clearly come into play here quite a bit. Although I am going to make one adjustment, and now that we have more data, it seems as though the more accurate area of resistance is going to be right up here around $4.90. And I say that because when you factor in that back on Thursday morning, that's right where the price got rejected. And then you look at late morning today, and that's basically right where the price got rejected once again. Very clearly that, there's some sellers sitting up there around that $4.90 mark. So moving forward, that is certainly going to be that key battleground, if the price is going to make any sort of bigger movements in the upwards direction. Although as of right now, there's still quite a bit of work that needs to be done before that level would even come into play. Because with the pullback here, all the way down here, now to be fair, that final 30 minutes, nice solid green candle. But even with that, still got to travel all the way up there before you can even do battle with it. But overall, 490 point being seems to be the most accurate level of resistance. But as far as levels of support are concerned, again, now that we have more data, a little minor adjustment. It seems as though the buyers are more so hanging around right there at that $4.40 mark, because you look at the history today and you can see that not once, but twice the price got down around that area. And, both times the price held very strong. So you want to keep an eye on 442-ish, moving forward as that level of support. If the price cannot hold above that level, then the next key level at that point would be that $4.25 mark. But overall, right now, if anything, maybe this is just a long-winded way of saying the thing's in a sideways channel pattern. Maybe this thing is just going to chop back and forth for the next few days before it eventually makes up its mind. So we'll have to see how this one continues to play out next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.